Welcome to Exchange Rates TV, looking at Doge. I had some prior analysis on here. Look, I haven't looked at Dogecoin for a while. Rather, we haven't looked at Dogecoin for a while. Mostly, I don't look at Dogecoin because, I don't know a lot about a lot of the cryptocurrencies I do analysis on because I'm a chartist. I'm a technical analyst. I don't put a lot of stock into things like news but if it has a chart and it trades, that's all that matters because it's kind of its own life form. Anyways, so using a Fibonacci expansion, when we draw from the swing of the high on June of 2nd of 2021 to the most recent major swing low on July 20th of 21, and the next to the most recent swing high on August 16th or 17th of 2021, we get a projected range of these thin black lines here. So the 1618 level is down at the 0.0632 value area. That is, coincides with the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which is drawn from the all-time high to the strong bar of the move on the weekly chart. And then it also coincides with the 2021 volume profile. So in other words, what am I saying? I'm saying that Dogecoin has a very high likelihood of retracing all the way down to the 6-cent level. Maybe not exactly 6 cents, maybe more like 7.5 to 8 cents, because the top of the volume bar is here at 0.073, and there's a sizable chunk of volume that was traded up here as well at 0.0939, and it's actually that volume level I think is the one that will act as support because it's close to the psychological level of 10 cents. And when you look at the size of this volume bar, all right, look at the volume bar that was traded between 5 cents and 7.3 cents. All right, huge amount of volume. But then when you double the price of Doge at the 10-cent level, and then you basically increase it another 30% from the high of that prior. What I'm saying is that there was a ton of proportional participation at these highs that it's important to pay attention to. And also notice that the amount of time spent within this price range here between 0.73 and 10 cents, there was not a lot of time spent there. There was very little time participation for how many people were buying and selling there. So the 10-cent level is more likely to hold as that support zone. You could definitely see it get drawn down to the 6-cent level, but the 382 fib retracement is at 0.10 at 0.108, and then you've got the psychological number of 10 cents. I think that's a good area to look at for support here in the near future. But that is where I would see Doge going down to. Everything on the chart is very bearish. Price is below the cloud, it's below the Tenkan Sen, it's below the Kijun Sen, the lagging span is below the candlesticks. Once a lagging span has a close below the cloud, I think that's where you're going to see a lot of the triggering moves south. So be on alert for that. Future cloud had its Kumo twist too, so there's span A is below, future span A is below B, so that's the other criteria for being bearish. That does it for me. Hope you guys all have had a good week so far. Thank you for watching. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.